guys, welcome back to my channel. I look a little bit crazy right now. I have no makeup on my face. I do have some chapstick on, so I mean, I kind of do. I have been literally waiting by the door all day, like all day. Well, I haven't been waiting by the door, but I've been waiting near the door on my couch. But that's like pretty much the same thing, right? It's like the same thing. The reason that I have you here today is because Colourpop released a no filter foundation, and your girl went online, and when they came out I ordered one, and this is what she looks like. I went off of their kind of chart of like, this is what works best for you if you're this color. What they came up with for me was my shade is medium 90. So in case you guys are wondering or think that we have similar tones, this is the foundation that I will be using today. And I want to do a bit of a wear test, so I am going to wear it throughout the whole day and update you guys. Well, I mean, it's 2 o'clock right now, so I mean, like, how much can I really update you guys? But just before I go to bed, kind of updates throughout the day and my final thoughts on if I like it or not. I'm just going to do pretty much a review of a bunch of different products that I've gotten. My mother, God bless her soul, purchased and bought for me the Starr MAC collection. So I have these right here, and I am so excited to try these out. And then I ordered a Super Shock Shadow Lightning Bug, which is one of their more popular ones. I'm just like really excited for this makeup look. I think that's going to be just super bronze and gold, and we're just living. So I'm going to take my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I am just going to rub this all over me lids. So I'm just going to apply some tape. So I'm going to take Sandy Crotch right here and just put that all over my lid. This has been like my go-to crease color. It's so pretty. I have a feeling that this look that I'm doing is going to be like my summer like go-to. So next I'm going to take, I don't even know how to say this name, and I'm not going to say it because I'm going to butcher it, but I'm going to take this shade right here and just put that on my outer corner. So I'm just going to take my first blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of buff, you know, buff those two colors together. I'm actually gonna go in with Embark from MAC. It's just a little bit of a deeper brown. I'm just gonna kind of run that just on the outer, just to make it a little bit more smoky. And then I'm going to take Sandy Crotch again. I feel so like ridiculous. And then I'm just going to blend that over everything. Okay, perfect. So I'm not going to use these 2 red shades. Well, this is more of a copper, and this is like a bright red, which this color up here is like taking everything in me to not use it today. But I do have a tutorial with this shade right here on my friend Kendra. I did an extreme makeover on her. I'm gonna try to have it up on like the top. But if I can't do that for some reason, then I'm gonna have it linked down below. Oh my God. Can you guys, like, I die. I literally die. Oh, wow. Like, wow. You guys. Like, yeah. I just don't want to stop. You know? Like, when does one stop? Are you guys living right now? Because I like need a minute. Darken it up just a little bit, because now that I have it on there, I am like, smoke me up, please. Like, oh my gosh. I am so excited for this. You guys have no idea. So I'm gonna start off with some strobe cream from MAC. And it's gonna make me just nice and doopy. I'm going to take some of my L'Oreal Perfecting Base, and I am just going to try to hide these big old pores right here. So next, I am going to take the foundation. I am so excited. I'm going to use a Real Techniques buffing brush. How should I go about this? This is looking really good already. guys see what's going on? Cause wow, that looks super skin-like. Like, yeah, skin-like. I'm all, what did I just say? Wow. So far. Like, so far, like, so good. So that was a total of like 3 pumps on my whole face. I didn't try it with a beauty blender because I don't normally use a beauty blender for my foundation. That was a really good match. I'm really happy with how that actually matched my skin, like really good. So that was like really good. It is drying down. Feels a little tacky, but I feel like I just applied it. But I am going to set it with some MAC Fix Plus lightly. I know that this foundation is a little bit, you know, it's foundation, but I want to give this like a proper, you know, wear test, because this is how I would wear it on its own. So, or if I wasn't doing this for like a video, you know what I mean? Let's replay the clip where I said lightly powder my face.
Fix Plus lightly.
Going in with concealer, and this is actually a different shade than what I normally wear. This is light 16. So I'm gonna spray myself with some Fix Plus just because I did powder my face and I'm a little scared. Blending out super pretty. And of course it's just, you know, going right into the foundation. Okay, my camera overheated. Everything's fine. I just set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier, obviously applied brows and some lashes offline. I did tight line and put some in my waterline as well. So I just want to finish up the eyes a little bit, and so we can move on. We can just move on, okay? So I'm gonna go back in with that Patrick Starr palette, and I'm going to take Sandy Crotch and just really smoke it out. I am going to use that transition brush that has glue all over it. I'm going to take this smudger brush from MAC, and it is the 274, I believe. I'm gonna take that brown shade next and just go closer to my lash line with it. Okay, next and lastly, taking Embark, which is that last shade I used on my outer corner, and just really going close. Just gradually getting closer to the lash line. But next I'm going to take my Sigma F50 and I'm going to bronze up my skin with the Give Me Life from Patrick Starr collection. I look a little dead, so hopefully this really does give me some life. This is supposed to be the sister shade to MAC Give Me Sun. And then give it on the cheeks, like I said. This really does just bring back a lot of life to the skin. I am loving the way this look is coming together. Like, this has been my like go-to summer blush. This is Becca Songbird. Here's what she looks like. It's so pretty. Like, it's that perfect peachy orange blush, and I am just, I'm obsessed. I don't know what else to say. And I've been putting it kind of up my cheeks, taking it kind of where my highlighter would normally go. So I'm gonna spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus now. Just to kind of melt everything together. For highlight, I chose Mirame from the Desi X Katie collection. I thought that I was gonna really complement this look. And I don't know if these highlights are still available. I feel like I haven't done like a gold like eye like this in so long that I am just like, who is she? Okay, who is she? Lips, I'm going to use this Colourpop Luxe lipstick. I was like, Luster Luxe. It's this brown shade right here. I am so excited for this, but we should probably line our lips first. Yeah, this would look really good with the nude, but we're going in with Friends from Colourpop. This is the part of their Luxe lip line. That was one swatch. That was one swipe. bottom lip wasn't so big, that would have like literally been 3 swipes. But yeah, I'm going to, like I said, do a check-in throughout the day a little bit and just kind of tell you guys my final thoughts a little bit later. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on with our day, I guess. It's only been about 2 hours since I last checked in with you guys. It's 4:09. Actually, has it only been an hour? I'm really bored, if you can't tell. This is one of my check-ins. Currently still loving it. Haven't noticed any weirdness, I guess. I have a mirror on the back of my phone. I'm not just like looking at the back of my phone. But yeah, I don't know. I think that it still looks really pretty. This eyeshadow is still like super captivating. Like, I think this is the most ugly way to showcase eyeshadow. I'm still loving everything. Everything is still going good. So I guess I'll just check back with you guys in another hour. I'm just kidding. I'll try to go do something. I'll try to go outside and like maybe sweat a little. Maybe. I don't know about that one. So this is just my check-in, so I'm gonna go. So I am just coming in to check again with you guys. The time is about 7 o'clock, 6:48. I'm gonna cheat and say it's 7. I'm gonna get my big mirror. You know when like you wear foundation and it gets a little like, I guess oily. Is that the word for it? I can see it getting like not necessarily oily, but my skin is getting a little bit of oil on my cheek area, unless it's just the sheen. Is it just the sheen? It's a little bit like underneath, like right here. Is that my smile lines? Does that count as smile lines? Do I have smile lines? Coming to a whole like realization in this video. So yeah, it is sinking a little bit in there, making it a little bit like oily, but nothing too bad. My zit's still covered, so that's something to talk about. I'm like, so far so good. I don't know if it's maybe because I set it, maybe I shouldn't have like set one side of my skin, but I mean, I feel like that's just asking for it, you know, like that's just asking for it to move around. So yeah, my final thoughts are it's really good, doesn't cling to any dry patches. I'm pretty dry on my forehead, in this little area, and sometimes highlighter will like look a little funky up there, but I mean, besides that little dry spot, actually now that I'm looking at it, it's a little dry, but it's a $12 foundation, like $12 for this. I think that this foundation is really good. I also really love Colourpop, and I am so glad that I wasn't disappointed. I might be biased. Colourpop sponsor me, hit me up for a collab, okay? I love you. I love you. Thank you for watching this video. Tell me how you guys liked this wear test. Was it a good time? Was it a bad time? Just go ahead and let me know. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know that I look like a million times better now than I did in the intro, and I am so sorry if you guys have nightmares. So sorry. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. If you like this video and if you like me, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.